Hello everyone, start off by taking your cloth and then cut out a middle piece of it after folding it out. Now make this heart shape cut in the middle as well, fold it over. Now take a rectangular piece of cloth and once again fold it over as such and then cut out the bottom. Stitch it together and you should have yourself a cute dress. Now take this rectangular cloth, fold it over multiple times and then diagonally cut it over. Now after opening it once, make a curved edge on one of the sides. Now lift it up and then stitch it together. Next, using these measurements, fold over your cloth. Next, cut off the top as such and then the sides. Open it up and cut out the middle a little bit more and then cut out the sides to make it more curved. Join it together and you have yourself a little vest. Now take this velvet-like material, fold it over multiple times and then cut it out in this shape. After you have done this, join it in the middle, fold over the top, add little pockets to it and you have yourself a vest. Next, take over this rectangular piece of cloth and then cut out the sides as such. Take another piece of cloth, cut out the sides and then open it up in order to form the circle, add it to the bottom of your dress. Next, take this square cloth and then cut it over as such after folding it and then open it up and once more make these cuts. After this, fold it over from upwards to downwards. You have made yourself a sweater. Next, take this piece of cloth, fold it over one time and then afterwards make these cuts in the sides and the bottom. Once you open it up, this is what you should be left with. Fold over the bottoms and then after making a cut at the top, fold over the top as well. Stitch it up as such. Take this long piece of horizontal cloth and afterwards fold it all together. Add a little waistband to it and there you have yourself a little skirt. Next, take a rectangular piece of cloth, fold it over about 4 times. Now, make this V-shape cut at the top or rather U-shape cut and then make the side cuts as well. Now, open it up and fold it up to make it meet in the center and then add little pearls at the top and the center as well. You have yourself a little vest. Next, we will start off by taking this cloth. It should be rectangular in shape. Fold it over 2 times and the second time make it a rather diagonal fold. Make this U-shape cut on it and then cut out the sides in slight triangular shapes. Now open it up and then fold over both of the top edges, make it meet in the center. This is what it should look like. Next, take your cloth, fold it over multiple times as such. Make this somewhat diagonal cut out of it. Now, make this cut out of it and afterwards open it up. After you remove it, this is what it should look like. Join the 2 sleeves together and then join the neck as well. Stitch it up together and you have yourself a cute little shirt. Take a square piece of cloth and then make a triangular shape out of it. Cut out the top as such and then cut out the bottom as well. After this, join the 2 together in the center, add a little waistband to it. Next, take a little piece of cloth, make a square shape out of it and then cut it out in this heart shape. After this, cut it out, join it to another piece of the same thing, cut it out in the same shape, open it up and then add this to the center. Now make slits out of this and then join the sides together. Attach yours to the top and then add little beads to it. Thank you for watching.